students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So student, due to cold, we have a holidays as per the DM order. So please take your care and stay home safely. Today I am going to teach you the topic of GK, that is topic 30, natural disasters. This topic has been already explained in the classroom. Once again we will go through the summary. That first one is, see what earthquake. What is earthquake? What is earthquake? Can you guess? So students, earthquake is what? See here, earthquake is an earthquake happens when the large rocks beneath the earth's surface move, causing the ground to shake a lot. About 20,000 earthquakes happen all around the world every year. They can cause buildings to collapse and ever bring about landslides. The Turkey and Syria earthquake was a major earthquake. It took place on February 6, 2023. So students, we'll see here, every year, every year, about 20,000 earthquakes happen all around the world every year. And on 6 February 2023, the Turkey-Syria earthquake was a major earthquake. Okay. So this is the earthquake. In earthquake, what happens? There is a large rock benefits our surface. It means there is some movements in the earth by which we can lose many of the caused buildings collapse. Every about landslides also happen. Even some buildings have cracks. The many things have to be very harmful. We can suffer from the earthquake. A city has many harms due to the earthquake. Next is flood. Flood is a flood is caused due to an overflow of water on land. They can happen due to heavy rains, ocean waves, rapidly melting snows, dam breaking or cloud burst, a very heavy rainfall. Floods can lead to loss of lives, buildings and roads. Floods always take place whenever there is a overflow of water on land, or there is a heavy rains or ocean waves due to, or sometimes it will be melted by the snow. If the dams are breaking, or cloud burst means very heavy rains due to which the cloud bursts are happened. Due to all these things, floods take the place, and due to the floods we also lost the lives, buildings and roads. Even dirty statements waters also collect in the flood, due to which people can suffer from many diseases like typhoid, malaria, and the many various types of skin infections also occur due to the dirty waters that can be stagnant due to the flood. So heavy rainfall during the season of 2023 caused several floods. See here, even due to the heavy rainfalls, we can also suffer from landslides. In northern state, in July, at least 100 people have been across, that is Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi. They lost their lives in these disasters, and even thousands of the people were injured, that they should be taken to the relief camp. Now come to the next topic. That is landslide. See here, what is landslide? A landslide refers to a slip of land or a shallow flow of debris down a slope. Landslides can be caused by rain, earthquake or volcano erupt. Human activities like cutting down trees has increased the risk of landslide. The easiest way to prevent landslide is to plant more trees. Landslides, why landslides should be happen? It should be happen due to the slip of lands, even some shallow flows down a slab. Otherwise it also causes by the rain, means rain बारिश होती है, earthquakes आते हैं. Even we are suffering from the volcano eruption. Due to all these activities, the landslide takes the place. Even at present time we see human activities like cutting down the trees has increased the risk of landslide. आज के समय पे बहुत सारे पेड़ काटे जा रहे हैं, ट्रीज को कट किया जा रहा है. ड्यू टू दिस कटिंग डाउन ट्रीज we have the risk of landslides. Okay, so it is very necessary if you want to save the landslides, if you want to save yourself with the landslides, you may have to be plant more and more trees. You have to be plant more and more trees. So now come to the next point is what? See here. Next is cyclone. Next is what? Cyclone. See here. Can you see the picture of the cyclone? Yeah, a cyclone is a huge spinning storm that forms in the sea and moves towards the land. It can bring heavy rains, high waves along with strong winds. The winds can damage houses, trees and buildings. We can track a cyclone. The government usually issue warning before a cyclone hits and it helps save life. Whenever cyclone is a very huge spinning storms, बहुत ही बड़ा, बहुत ही स्पीड में मीन्स मूव करने वाला एक स्टॉर्म है जो कि that is mostly come in the sea and moves towards the land. It always starts from the sea and then it comes to the land. So due to these cyclones, it also brings the heavy rains, high waves along with the strong winds. So this type of winds damages the houses, trees, buildings and etc. etc. We can all, scientists have one type of gadgets. By that they can track the cyclone. So by tracking the cyclone, we can know easily that on which place the cyclone should be occurred. So the government always issue the warning before a cyclone hits and it helps save lives. जब भी पता चलता है कि हाँ इस एरिया में, इस सी में, समुद्र में मतलब साइक्लोन आने वाला है, तो गवर्नमेंट ऑलवेज गिव द एडवांस warning before a cyclone. It issue the warning to that peoples, those who are living nearby the sea or ocean where the cyclone take place, and they try to help the people and they save the lives of the peoples. So cyclone is the very huge and spinning storms. Okay, now come to the next. That is in Arabian Sea on 6 June 2023 the cyclone has taken place and it affected the Indian states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. It is the latest done in 2023. Now come to the next topic, that is heat wave. Heat wave. A heat wave occurs when there is extremely hot weather in an area for several days in a row. Heat waves कब होता है? When it takes place the heat wave? Heat wave takes place whenever any area or place having a extreme hot weather. कोई ऐसी एरिया है जहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसका जो वेदर है बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, और डेट हीट वेदर शुड बी कंटिन्यूअस फॉर सेवरल डेज, मीन्स कई दिनों तक सेम वेदर हॉट वेदर में वो एरिया सफ़र कर रहा है. ऑन डेट प्लेस the heat wave should be occur and take the place. See here, in July 2023, United States, Mexico, Southern Europe and part of China experienced extreme heat waves. At the same time, if you will see the news, in USA also there is a place where the fire has taken place due to the heat waves, and many from few days the whole cities are burning, but no one can able to stop the burning. So all these should be occurred due to the heat waves. So students, by this we have completed our topics explanation. Just go through these topics and I will send you the notes of this topic in the PDF. So fill your books also. Okay, whenever the school will get reopened, you have to submit me for the checking. Okay, then thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next video with the next topic.